Now, your accurate Storm Team 12 forecast.
Aren't you glad it's Friday? We've made it to the weekend, and the weekend starts out on a very cold note, certainly for the month of April, looking at the possibility of record low temperatures tonight. But before we get there, we're tracking some scattered snow showers across the north, and we're tracking some rain and some sleet in the south. We'll start first in the south, where you can see south central Kansas is up against a rain-sleet mix right now. Just about everything here across Sumner County and Cowley counties pushing on to the east about 20 to 25 miles per hour. Things have temporarily come to an end around Wichita, but our chance for light snow will show up later on in the evening. Some of the heaviest right now showing up around Winfield, up toward Belle Plaine and Mulvane. That continues back toward Wellington, too. So some of the roads out there tonight are mostly going to be wet. We really don't expect to see that many icy spots in the south. Right now over into Greenwood County, it looks like we've got a mix of some rain and sleet. There could be a couple of snowflakes mixed in there, too, but all of this pushing on to the east. It's nice to see some moisture falling in Kansas. That can't be overlooked, even though it's maybe not coming in the form of precipitation that you were hoping for. Now we go to northwest Kansas, where it's all in the form of light snow from Goodland and Colby out toward Hill City. We've got some light snow falling around Atwood and St. Francis, too. It's about as far south as Scott City now, and there's light snow falling on Highway 36 up here in north central Kansas, and it will likely continue for several more hours before it begins to taper off later into the night. The temperatures, very important numbers, because where we're below freezing, some of the elevated surfaces could be getting slick. We're 23 in Colby, 24 in Hayes, 30 in Pratt, right at freezing here in Wichita, 29 degrees in Hutchinson. Still looks like about an inch or two of snow will be possible. Goodland, Colby, Scott City, Leota, Garden City, Dodge City, but central and eastern Kansas only expected to see flakes. Nothing measurable. But through the rest of the evening, we'll be watching the snow continuing to work its way across central and western Kansas, even Wichita looking at a chance for a few hours of light snow. By early Saturday morning, here comes a big H on the weather map, and that's going to shove the clouds out of here, but it's also going to be a perfect setup for record low temperatures early tomorrow morning. The sunshine comes back tomorrow, but don't let it fool you, because it's still going to be very chilly tomorrow. Highs only around 40 degrees. Another storm is coming into the plains tomorrow night. Clouds increasing, a chance for some sprinkles and snow flurries developing around Kansas by early Sunday morning. It's not expected to cause any problems on the roads, but don't be surprised to wake up Sunday morning and see a little wintry weather. That should be pushing out maybe some sprinkles Sunday afternoon, but overall, Sunday looks to be warmer than what we're going to see for tomorrow. A live look over Dodge City right now. Gray skies. We've got the cold. The snow comes later this evening. We're right at freezing here in Wichita with northeast winds at 26. Overnight temperatures falling into the teens. Snow will taper off in the north later tonight, but the chance for snow continues in the south. And then western Kansas for tomorrow. You start with gray skies, but the sun will come back for the afternoon. 38 in Colby, 40 in Larned, with 41 in Dodge City. We should get to 42 degrees in Garden City. Salina, you'll probably see a few clouds early in the day, then sun in the afternoon. 43 in the city, 42 for Marion, 42 in Medicine Lodge. And around Wichita, we've got a chance for record lows Saturday morning. Then we're headed back into the 40s by the end of the day. 44 in Kingman, 43 in El Dorado. Sunshine, much less wind on the way for your Saturday. Here's your 10-day forecast. A little bit warmer on Sunday. Monday, we're up to 58. Tuesday gets even warmer. This is more like it, isn't it? Springtime comes back middle of next week. And look at this. Could be close to 80 degrees in western Kansas by Wednesday afternoon. The warmth is going to stick around, but the wind comes back too. 76 Friday with a chance for a few storms. And that spring-like weather should continue into the weekend. Your patent termite and pest weather umbrella winner tonight is Alfredo Jimenez from Wichita. If you want to sign up to win, kwbch.com.